Yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Suzanne, the plans they made put an end to you. I walked out this morning and I wrote down this song. I just can't remember who to send it to. Oh, I see fire and I see rain. I've seen sunny days I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Well done, everyone. You can sing along. I won't be put down upon me, Jesus. You gotta help me take a stand. Just got to see me through another day. My body's aching and my time is at hand. No, I won't make it any other way. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days I thought would never end. Lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Well, I've been running my mind to an easy time, my back turned towards the sun. Lord knows when the cold wind blows, it'll turn your head around. It'll turn your head around. I spent hours of time on the telephone line to talk about things to come. Pipe dreams and flying machines and pieces on the effing ground.